Hello guys! Today, you're going to learn how to install live wallpaper on your PC. This is super easy. Also, you don't need a high-end PC, and it's processor friendly. So let's jump into the video. First, go to the Get Into PC website and search Push Video Wallpaper or click the link in the description to download it without any trouble. Click the download link and wait a few minutes for the download to process. While it's downloading, go to YouTube. Search Zombie Live Wallpaper. Click the first video and download it. This video link is also in the description and you can download it without wasting time. Now go to Downloads folder and extract Push Video software. Password is 123.
Open the setup and install it. Now open Crack folder and run the application. Now you can see a random live wallpaper appear in my desktop. It's so beautiful. Now let's put our zombie video into this software. To do this, click the plus icon and select the zombie video before we download it. Boom, now we have our zombie video in my desktop. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Goodbye.